wait for a few more minutes for people to join. Namaskaram, welcome to Shru's Eternity. So today we'll be showing you Pochampalli design on tissue silk sarees, and we have got beautiful tassels to be showcased in today's video, and we'll end the session with our very own soft silk sarees. The range of today's session will be 4980 and it goes up to 9000. People who would like to buy these sarees, please log on to www.shruseternity.com. You'll find a tab called Sunday Live. Please click on the tab to buy all these sarees. If you'd like to see more of soft silk, please click on a tab Soft Silk under Silk Room to see all the soft silks that we have in store. So let's get started. Before we start, I would like to tell you about the saree that I'm wearing. This is a pure tissue silk Pochampalli saree priced at 4980. This is a cream with black and pink combination. Comes with a beautiful, it's actually a light grey, it's not black. A beautiful grey color silver jari border on either side of the saree. The whole body has very pretty Pochampalli pattern in it and a beautiful silver jari pallu, and this comes with a plain grey color blouse, and I have matched it with a contrast pink colored blouse. So the saree price is 4980. So first we have a beautiful tissue Pochampalli silk cotton saree. It's got a very pretty pattern. It's a grey with pink combination. The whole body has beautiful floral patterns. A very pretty plain pink color border on either sides of the saree. Very elegant drape, and it's got a tissue pallu in pink and a light pink color blouse. Priced at 4980. Next we have a white with pink. Beautiful wavy designs all over the body. Very pretty pink color border on either side of the saree. It's a black, white and pink combination. A very pretty pink color border on either side of the saree. Beautiful Pochampalli designs in tissue in the body. A beautiful tissue pallu and a plain pink color tissue blouse. Priced at 4980. Next we have a Mambra yellow with green combination. A very pretty design. The whole body has Pochampalli designs in it. In orange and light green. Very pretty gold jari border with green on either sides of the saree. So that's how the whole body looks. A jari pallu, a tissue jari pallu in green and a plain green color tissue blouse. Priced at 4980. Next we have a light green with grey combination. Very pretty silver color jari border on either side of the saree. All these tissue Pochampalli sarees have extremely good color combinations. Very subtle and elegant sarees. So that's going to be the whole body. Silver color jari border on either side, a tissue black jari pallu and a plain tissue black color blouse. Priced at 4980. Next we have a blue with black combination. Slightly bigger border on either sides of the saree. Very pretty black and red combination on the whole body. Pochampalli weave. Beautiful Pochampalli weave on the borders in silver jari on either side of the saree. A very pretty drape. A light pink colored jari pallu and a tissue blouse. Priced at 4980. Moving on to our tussar silk. This is priced at 6850. This is a very pretty handloom tussar with beautiful prints on it. It's got a language printed in it. A very different sari with black color borders on either sides of the sari, and the whole border has this building block prints in it, and that's going to be the pallu, a beautiful pallu and an abstract worked blouse. Priced at 6850. Next we have a plain black borderless sari, very elegant sari with jari woven gold buttas all over the body. A very pretty sari. Leaf jari woven gold buttas all over the body. A borderless black sari. A simple and an elegant pallu and a plain black color blouse. You can match this sari with a contrast blouse like what I am wearing. Something in pink will go well with black. Something in green also will look very pretty. So this sari is priced at 5950. Next we have a pink with polka dots. This is priced at 6450. A beautiful sari with gold jari border on either sides of the sari. Very pretty gold polka dots all over the body. A beautiful pink. And a simple and an elegant pallu and a plain pink color running blouse. This is a pure tussar silk sari. Priced at 6450. Next we have a hand painted tussar silk sari. Priced at 6450 again. This is a beautiful cream with green and red combination. The whole body has very pretty hand painted floral buttas. Comes with a jari border on either sides of the sari. A beautiful hand painted pallu with a red color striped jari blouse. Priced at 6450. Next we have a very pretty copper sulphate blue with jari woven floral buttas and gold jari border on either sides of the sari. Beautiful color with woven jari booties all over the body. A simple and elegant striped jari pallu with a plain blue color blouse. This is priced at 4950. So we're moving on to our soft silk collection. A beautiful peacock blue with pink combination. The whole body has floral and leaf buttas in it. A thin strip of gold jari border on either side of the sari. So that's how the whole sari looks. A beautiful jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse. This sari is priced at 6880. Next we have a navy blue priced at 8950 with silver jari buttas and an extremely good and rich border. So the whole body has manga jari woven buttas in it. And the lower half of the sari has very pretty peacock and yali buttas. A beautiful jari pallu in navy blue and a contrast pink color blouse. This is priced at 8980. Next we have a very pretty green priced at 8780. This is a nice fluorescent green with beautiful jari booties all over. It's a borderless sari with very pretty dull gold jari woven leaf buttas all over the body. A very different and an elegant color, a jari pallu in green and a plain green color running blouse. Priced at 8780. We have another color in the same variant. This is a light ice bluish grey, priced at 8780. The whole body has floral jari woven buttas, a borderless sari, a very pretty sari, a jari pallu and a plain blouse. Priced at 8780. Next we have a peacock blue with floral border and floral booties all over the body. The upper portion of the sari has a dull silver color jari border. The whole body has floral buttas and the lower half of the sari has very pretty floral jari woven patterns. A beautiful jari pallu and a plain pink color contrast blouse. This is priced at 8680. Beautiful color. Next we have a checkered pattern, priced at 8480. So the whole body has very pretty cream and green color checkered patterns, cream, biscuit and green color checkered patterns with jari woven floral buttas and a beautiful jari pallu in pink with a plain pink color blouse. Priced at 8480. Next we again have a checkered pattern, priced at 7950. This has got a multicolored checkered pattern all over with mandala buttas in between the checkered patterns, a thin strip of silver colored jari border on either side of the sari, very pretty mandala buttas as you can see in between the checkered pattern, a beautiful jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse. This is priced at 7950. A very pretty sari. Next we have a tissue soft silk, priced at 8950. This is a beautiful greyish black with an orangish pink combination. The whole body has a self jari stripe pattern with silver color jari border on either sides of the sari, a dull silver color jari border, and the lower half of the sari has a beautiful intricately designed border. A very pretty orangish pink colored intricately woven jari pallu and a self striped jari blouse. Priced at 8950. We have another color in the same variant. This is a beautiful green with pinkish orange combination, priced at 8950. A dull silver jari border on either side of the sari. The whole body has a self jari stripe pattern in it. And the lower half of the sari has a very pretty pattern, as you can see. Beautiful orangish pink colored jari pallu and a self jari striped blouse. Priced at 8950. The last sari in today's session, it's a black with maroon combination, priced at 8980. Very pretty pattern. The upper portion of the sari has a maroon color border. The body is left quite plain. And the lower half of the sari has a nice checkered pattern, which has got beautiful Meena floral buttas in between the checks in silver and gold. And the same is continued in the pallu, a beautiful pallu with a plain maroon color blouse. Priced at 8980. People who would like to buy these sarees, please log on to www.shrootseternity.com. You'll find a tab called Live Sarees, under which you'll find another tab called Sunday Live. Please click on the tab to look at all these sarees and go ahead with your purchase. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, happy shopping. Bye-bye.
People who are looking to buy sarees from our website, you can directly go to our website, which is truezitanati.com. You'll find a lot of menus on the left and on the top, which is silk room, daily drape, live saris, salwars, pawade, and what's in the store menus. You can click on those menus to find other sub menus which have been appropriately named with the material name for you to easily find them. You can click on them, look at the saris that you'd like to buy, and proceed to pay. The blouse stitching and false picot options are also added in each of the products, so you can select whatever you want in those individual products and proceed to buy. For any questions or concerns, you can also WhatsApp or call us on 9003003841. We'll be able to help you out. Thank you so much.